Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We finally got the car in our little corner over here. So basically, last video we took off the windshield, frame rail's all done. The car is basically at the 50% half stage right now, where all the damaged parts are off and we're starting to get in parts and stuff like that, and we'll start putting new stuff on, so let's stay tuned. If you guys look over here, we got our welder set up. We got a bunch of wire. We won't need a welder for this project, but the next project we'll definitely need it. And we got the toolbox. It's still a mess, but slowly starting to fill in some of the parts and tools and stuff like that. We'll fill it up with all the stuff. But so we received this huge crate. This is basically everything we need to get the GTR front end put together: radiator support, condenser, radiator, fans, and everything like that. Now we're just gonna open it up and see what's inside. So we have the most important part of the whole front end is the radiator support. This is a really hard part to find. We have fender liners. We have all the cooling. It's a little hard to see right now. We're going to take it out the box in a second. But we have the fans back there. We have the radiator, the AC condenser, and we do have the stock intercooler. We won't be needing the stock intercooler, so that'll most likely just go back up for sale because we have the upgraded one. But no, we do not need to include that.
David, oh my, pumada to picture. They were gonna break some part down there.
There's nothing in there that's broken. Oh, we sound like that's.
Oh my, David.
That's AC line.
You don't have to put on the car, David. You're good. Yep. Yep. There you go.
So basically, this is how you're gonna take the timing belt off your car. You get your ratchet. There's a special place for it right here. Basically, you put that in, you pick it up, you align these two holes right here, and you just put something in there to lock it in place. And now the timing belt is free, and you can take it off. I'm gonna take a picture of it first to see how it goes on there before I take it off. But yeah, basically that's how you do it. No, I mean like which way it goes.
What do you mean? It's one way inside, one way's outside. How? Oh, like that? That's always. Come on, dude.
Ben,
It's been complicated.
do not question. All right, so we got the belt fixed up, new belt in, and we're gonna move on to the next little issue that we have right here is these camshaft sensor wires. We're gonna unplug the camshaft sensors, and we're gonna go ahead and try to solder in with these little things that we have right here, and hopefully we fix the limp mode issue. All right, so we kind of got lucky because we opened up the wires a little bit, and we noticed that there's one blue, one green, and two whites, and the two whites are identical wires, but how they were cut, you can kind of tell the difference is one's a little shorter, one's a little longer, and on here the same thing, one's a little shorter, one's a little longer, so kind of just like a easy way to tell which one goes where when both of the wires are the same. I don't know if it matters or not, but yeah. For P, bro, aka little baby. Okay. Oh man. All right, so you guys can see we repaired these camshaft wires. I mean, they were completely split up apart. Now we got them all connected. Got the electrical sealed up. So after we put some of this front end parts together, put the dashboard in, we'll start the car back up and see if it's in limp mode still or not. So basically this is the end of the video. We got few more parts to arrive. We have the front bumper, we have the hood right here, we have the aftermarket intakes that arrived, and we have the intercooler piping. I'm going to take all these intakes and piping and I'm going to get them powder coated to a certain color. So stay tuned for next week's video. And we basically got the car all finished up, all the wiring situation handled. So stay tuned for next week.